What's up, guys? So, I love you guys are on a budget. So, I figured this is a method that I've been using for so long. Why not just share it? But let's get on to it. I'm going to jump into my phone. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Right now, I'm going to show you and kind of walk you through the process, which is actually pretty simple, on how you can start out on a very low budget and get sales for free. Like, this is free tactics. This is a free method. It's very simple. So you might have thought about it, you might have done it, but if you haven't, this video is going to help you out a lot, because a lot of guys, focusing on or don't believe that the simple stuff can work. We only focus on Facebook ads and paid traffic, Google advertisement, and you name it. But trust me, the power of Instagram, if you have a great product, you have a great offer, and you get out to the right audience, you can get a lot of sales and traffic for free. It's that simple. Now, the free traffic and all of that, and where you'll actually have a lot of sales coming through social media, of course, will happen when you have a huge or a solid social media following. We can look at Kylie Jenner now. I know she's crazy when it comes to the following, but all her sales is pretty much free traffic from Instagram. So when you get to the point where you have a solid following and people are trustworthy of you, they will just come and buy, and that's where we want to be. But at the beginning, you have just, let's say right now, you have just opened your first Shopify store. Shopify DropShipping store. You are ready to go out there. You are on a low budget, so you don't want to waste your money on Facebook ads because you don't have the knowledge for Facebook ads. Now, I say no money is wasted with Facebook ads, because you will know what's working, you'll know what's not working, and you will always gather data. But when you're on a budget, you can kind of say it's lost, because you can move on from them. So you want to get the most out of your dollar as possible, and that's what this tactic is going to show. So what you can see on the screen right now is actually an old store of mine, but it was only made for video purposes, testing purposes, just as this one. Kind of like a test store for my clients and for YouTube. I don't run this store anymore, which is also the reason why when you click on the link, the store is not going to get up. It's simply just back. It's just down. It was just a test store and something that I'm using to show guys how I'm doing things. So right now, this is a bikini store. So I would only do this in the summer, or I will promote to guys. I can also do it now, but then I will strictly find guys or people, girls most likely, who are in summer countries. But what I would do, and this is regarding any store that you might have. It can be a bikini store. It can be a electronic store. It can be a jewelry store. But it have to be sort of niche down. If it's a general, it's a bit harder to do it. I do this a lot with jewelry stores. So let's say I have a specific jewelry. It can be a specific necklace. And that's where I can do this. This right here is actually a bit broader than I would like, because it's just bikini swimwear. But this is what I will do. So right now, this store, I can have tons of products on it, but there's always one product that you will always promote, just as well if you were doing paid traffic. So in this case, it's this bikini right here. Nice and simple, beautiful bikini. And as you maybe can see, it got like a special form in metal right beneath the breast, which keep them up. It's kind of like a push-up effect. So what I do now is, number one, I found the product. It have to be a great product. It's kind of hard to find a product that's gonna difference itself from other products when it's a bikini product. But this is a great product. It's a product that's gonna help girls a push up in the bikini, and it's just a good looking bikini, right? And it's something that's popular. So we have the product in place now. The next step is gonna be to have a great offer. So what we're gonna do for this, I think we're gonna pay roughly $5 for this product. So what I will do for an offer, that I will either sell it for actually $5 and then have shipping at $10, or I will sell it at $10, have shipping at a couple dollars, or I will actually just to get going, promote it as a free product and have the shipping at $10 or $15. I will actually choose, you can choose like $9.99 in shipping, then you will make the double, but you want to do a bit more there. But in the beginning, if you just want sales, you can do that, or else I will do shipping $12.99 or $14.99. And just a quick side note, when it comes to free plus shipping, first of all, it still works, and second of all, like, people will pay the price, like, don't worry. And if they ask you, you already know they are interested in buying. You just have to make it logically for them. Say, hey, we simply just can't send it. That's just the price for shipping. It's that simple. We can make sure next time I'm gonna buy, you can get 10% off your next order. You can keep on going. But now we have the product and we have the offer of we're promoting as free. They just have to cover the shipping. So this is what I would do. I will go in my bio, and this is pretty simple, so I'm going to do it quickly. We already have something in the bio, something I just quickly wrote. You can make it different, but we just want something general. You're going to go down, and what we're going to write is something in this order. Get a free bikini below. And since this is a bikini product, we could do something like this. It goes like this, I believe so. Yep, I think we got it now. So, done. This is all we have to do. So now you can say, get a free bikini below. So this is very simple. You can do it in other ways. You can make it better or whatever you want to do. This is just quickly. But the point is that you just want to have a great product, and then in your bio, make sure that offer is great. Now, this is the most important part. What we're going to do is that we're going to go out, we're going to find companies. I've already found one, but for example, right now, I'm just going to search on bikini. We're going to have this Frankie's Bikinis. It's a huge company, 864,000 followers. It don't have to be big. We just found this. So what you want to do is that if you have a specific product, let's say you have a specific jewelry, a specific necklace, like a rose necklace, that you know that this business is also selling, you should go into that business and you should see what they sell. Let's say they sell that rose necklace for $25. You're going to have the exact same product on your store, but you're going to sell it for $10, right? So they say $15. And then you want to make sure in that description, in your bio, that it is only $10 here. So, and then you will go to the business you have found, and this is the magic part. You're going to go in and you're going to follow all of as many as their followers as you can, because they know this brand, and they most likely also know this rose jewelry. The brand they are following right now costs $25. They get followed by you. They go into your bio. They can see in your bio that you're selling this jewelry for $10, and right there you have a sale. You can get a lot of attention and sales by doing that. But right now we don't have, it's not because this is also one product store. This is like a general bikini store. So what we would do instead of is go to the store, and we want to look through their prices, the bikinis, so where their average price is. So as you can see right here, $60, $56, $67, $56. We can go all the way down. What we got here, $85, $90, $100. This is normal prices, by the way. $95, $99, $90. So these prices are a lot higher and more expensive than what we can do, you know. So all of these girls here mostly who are following know the prices on average from this brand. So what we're going to do now is that we know already we got a better offer. We got a bikini right now for free, essentially. They just have to pay $10 or $15, which is nothing compared to the other, to these bikinis on here. Plus, it seems as if they're getting it for free. They just have to cover shipping. It makes sense for them, you know. So you get my point here. You simply just gonna find an audience that's following your competition, and your competition have the same product as you, but just for a way higher price. So you're gonna follow that audience that love that brand and those products for a high price. Follow them, so they can get to your store and they can see, hey, it seems to be a good looking brand. They have around the same products as this other brand here, just for 80% cheaper. Why wouldn't I buy when it comes to it? That's the magic. So all we're going to do, we're going to go into the followers, boom, follow. You're going to keep on going, as many as you can follow it. If you can follow 500 people a day, do that. You're going to get a lot of traffic to your store. And trust me, let's say you follow 500 people every single day, which is doable. We can also just say you're going to follow 300 people every single day, right? Let's say you do that for a week, just only for a week, 7 days. That is 2,100 people, women, females, you're going to follow in a week. And let's just say that 1% of those converts. That's 21 sales times $15. Boom, that's $315 in a week for free. Straightly margins, straightly profit. You get my point. We can also say 200. Let's just 1%. Let's say, oh, that's too much. Let's just say only 0.5% of all the guys and all the guys you're following are purchasing. Well, sorry, I did that wrong. That's 10 and a half. That's around 10 orders. Times that with $15, that's around $157 you make a week. Times that with 4, that will be $630 in a month. And this is by us lowballing it. You get my point now. This is what you can do with free traffic. And what you would do now is, once you get these orders, now you're making a couple $100 a month, more and more, $1,000 a month, suddenly all free. You're going to take all that profit and you're going to turn it all into Facebook. Now you have actually ad spend and budget to run Facebook ads. And now what you can do is that you have a lot of traffic on your store. You can now do retargeting, and that's where you will convert even better. So this is just a great tactic for you to use if you are on a low budget, and just in general. You can use it for testing a product. If you get some sales, you can see it's working. If you're not getting sales, you can see, well, I'm not going to go with this product. But it's just a great way to do it.